I remember I used to serve drinks at this local joint, cause I was broke, but my focal point was this wasn't no regular bar. It was a spot where robots were ready to spar. And one night Megatron rolled in. He ordered Pennzoil, drank it straight from a can. His plan was to go and get wasted again, standing next to Mega Man with a drink in his hand. Was rambunctious, hoping to lay the lady from the Jetsons, Rosie the maid, said, "Hey, I can move your cards, we can put our metal together, that is so smart." But she was praying for a man to defend her from the offender, her friend Bender, who walked in and blocked and socked him in the jaw, then he saw Dr. Robotnik. And Robotnik was about to attack, and Terminator grabbed the bottle saying, "I'll be back." Cause he knew Megatron for a couple of years, hit Bender with a bottle in it, busted his gears. Busted in to stop and started shooting at Robotnik. Bullet hit Robotnik in the esophagus. One raised the shoulder of Maria from Metropolis. Before Robocop could say he was sorry, in jumped her boyfriend Wally rolled up pretty upset. Took Robocop's gun, pistol whipped him in the neck. And everybody ran, he was fixing to shoot. R2 and C-3PO kissing in a booth. He had everybody trapped and he started to cap every single robot left in the place, even that goofy bastard from Lost in Space. Wally paused for a moment for the re-up, so I flat out the back with Maria. She wasn't hurt except a scratch on her shoulder, so I took her back to my home and I found her. Or maybe I just made all that up.